Hi friends! Miss Kim can't be there with you and Miss Kim misses you so much. But even though we're at home, we can still learn math. Are you ready? Today we're going to learn how to add 3-digit numbers using flats, sticks, and dots. So I see a number sentence. The first thing Miss Kim is going to do and the first thing you're going to do is copy this number sentence on your paper. 142 plus 326 equals blank. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I always have to label my number sentence. So I'm going to label it part, and whole. I'm missing my whole. When I'm missing my whole, I need to, that's right, I need to add. I'm going to use flat, sticks, and dots to add these two numbers. Something Miss Kim likes to do to keep her work organized is to create a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So I can keep my flat, sticks, and dots organized. The first number I'm going to draw is 142. So I'm going to draw 1 flat, 4 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 ones, because in the number 142, there's 100, 4 tens, and 2 ones. Next, here's what I'm going to do to keep my work so organized. I need to draw 326. I'm not going to mix it in. I'm going to draw it in on the bottom over here so I can keep it separate. So I'm going to draw 3 flats, 1, 2, 3, 2 sticks, 1, 2, and 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because in the number 326, there's 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to add all my flat, sticks, and dots together. I'm always going to start with my ones. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus, now I'm going to count my sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm not going to write 6. I'm going to write 6D because the value of 6 tens is 6D. Plus, let me count my hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I can't just write 4 because the value of 4 hundreds is 400. 400 plus 60 plus 8 equals 468. There. Now I want you to try one yourself. Copy this number sentence down on your paper. 523 plus 355 equals blank. Now I want you to label your number sentence and then use flat, sticks, and dots just like Miss Kim did to add these two numbers together. I'll give you a moment to do this and then keep watching to figure out whether you got it right. Press pause. Okay. Let's check to see if you got this right. 523 is a part, 355 is a part, equals my whole. I'm missing my whole, that means I need to add. I'm going to draw my hundreds, tens, and ones chart to keep my work neat and organized. I'm going to draw the first number on top, 523. 523, that means I need to draw 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, running out of space. 5. 2 tens. 1, 2. And 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm going to draw 355. I'm going to draw 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something that I love is that I'm keeping my work super neat and organized. 525 is on the top and 355 is on the bottom. That way when I need to check to see whether I put the right number of hundreds, tens, and ones, I can count them. So for 523, I should have 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I should have 2 tens. 1, 2. Good. I should have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Good. Check. Next, I'm going to check 355. Do I have 3 hundreds? 1, 2, 3. Good. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, great. Now I can add them together. I'm always, always, always going to start with my ones first. Let me count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The value of 8 ones is 8. Plus, let me count my tens next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not just going to write 7, I'm going to write 7D because the value of 7 tens is 7D. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I'm not just going to write 8, I'm going to write 800 because the value of 800s is 800. 800 plus 70 plus 8 equals 878. Let me put it back in the blank. Did you get it right? If so, great job! If you didn't get it correct, then please go back and check your hundreds, tens, and ones. Make sure you didn't make a mistake there, and please count all your ones, your tens, and your hundreds again. Okay, my friends, let's try 2 more. I want you to try 263 plus 315. Don't forget to label your number sentence first and draw a hundreds, tens, and ones chart to organize your work. Press pause after you're done writing this number sentence down so that you can try it yourself. Then press play again to check your work. All right, it's time to check your work. Let's see if you got it right. I'm going to label part, whole. I'm missing the whole, I need to add. Next, I need to draw my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Two hundreds, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. Next, 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3. 1 10, boop. 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, I'm going to add my ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus, let me count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not just going to write 7, I'm going to write 7D because the value of 7 tens is 7D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5, I'm going to write 500 because the value of 500s is 500 equals 578. Great, let me put it back in the blank. And I'm going to move on. Next one, 528 plus 371 equals blank. Write it on your paper, label it, and solve using flat sticks and dots. Press pause, and then press play again to check your work. Okay, are you ready to check your work? Let's see. Part plus part equals whole. Let me draw my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Okay, 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 2 tens. 1, 2. Check. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check. This checking off strategy is something Ms. Kim likes to do when you start getting a little confused because there's so many numbers. Okay, 300s. 1, 2, 3. Check. 7 ones. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check. And 1, 1. Boop. Done. Next, I always count my count my ones first. I'm going to count my ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 9 again. But it's not 9. It's going to be 9D because the value of 9 tens is 9D. Hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. But not just 8. 800 because the value of 800s is 800. Equals 899. My whole is 899. Great. Okay, now for something more challenging. Okay, I want you to copy this number sentence on your paper. Watch out, it's a tricky one. Blank, take away 131 equals 628. Don't forget to label first to figure out what you're missing. For this one, we're going to do it together because it's a little bit tricky. So copy this down on your paper, then I'm going to label. I see a takeaway sign. That means this number has got to be the whole. This is a part. This is a part. Ooh, we're missing the whole. I know when I'm missing the whole, I need to add. This sign is trying to trick me. I need to add. So I'm going to write a solution equation. 131 plus 628 equals blank. This solution equation tells me what to do. That is such an important step to write a solution equation. Now that I have my solution equation that tells me what to do, I can go ahead and add. I'm going to draw my hundreds, tens, and ones chart like usual. Okay, so 100, check. 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, check. 1, 1, check. Next number, 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, check. 2 tens, 1, 2, check. 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to add my ones first. Always, always, always add your ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But not just 7, 700. 700 plus 50 plus 9 equals 759. And I'm going to put my answer back in the blank, 759. Please, please don't forget the steps. The first step was to label my number sentence. The second step was to write a solution equation. And the third step was to draw my flats, sticks, and dots. Okay? Now you're going to try it on your own. This one, blank, take away 465 equals 223. As soon as you copy this down on your paper, press pause and then press play again to check your work. Okay, let's check your work. So the first step is to label. So that's what I'm going to do over here. Whole take away part equals part. I'm missing the whole. Ooh, that means I need to add. What's step 2 after labeling? Oh, it's a solution equation. So that's what I'm going to do over here too. I'm going to put a solution equation. I need to add, so I'm going to write 465 plus 223 equals blank. This solution equation tells me what to do. It tells me what to do. Okay, now I wrote my solution equation. What's my next step? Oh, flat, sticks, and dots time. Okay, so let me draw my flat, sticks, and dots. I'm going to draw hundreds, tens, and ones chart. Okay. 400s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Next number, 223, 200s, 1, 2, check, 2 tens, 1, 2, check, and 3 ones, 1, 2, 3, check. Always, always, always count my ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, but I'm not going to write 8. I'm going to write 80 because the value of 8 tens is 80, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm not going to write 6. I'm going to write 600 because the value of 600s is 600 equals 688. My missing whole was 688. Okay, if you're ready to try some on your own, here are some problems that you can do as practice. And then here's some down here that are more practice. Okay, I'm about to show you the answers, okay? So make sure you press pause. Okay, here are the answers.